If your brightening serums are not giving you the results that you need, okay, they're not brightening up your skin, they're not fading your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots. In this very video, I'm going to be giving you 7 powerful brightening serums that would help to, brighten up your uneven skin tone, clear your dark spots, clear your hyperpigmentation, clear melasma, and just, improve your skin tone and make your skin to be brighter than it used to be. Hi, my loves. My name is Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. Please do not forget to subscribe so that today will not be the very last day you're going to see my face on your screen. Over here, we talk about all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys tips, okay, on how to glow up your skin in the best way possible and the very effective way that you're going to come back to the comment section to thank me later. So in this very video, I'm going to tell you about 7 serums that you can, incorporate into your routine that would help to get rid of your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, melasma, and any kind of skin concern that you're having on your skin that is making your skin not to be same complexion, okay? If your skin is not even, then this video is for you. One thing I want to tell you is that serums are the most powerful ingredients when it comes to treating this kind of skin concerns. If you are having dark spots, hyperpigmentation, melasma, uneven skin tone, then you really need a serum in your routine. And one thing I will also tell you is that once you listen to this video or once you watch this video, at the end, I would want you to pick 2 powerful serums and incorporate the 2 into your routine. You don't just need 1, you will need 2 so that your results will be faster. Another thing I want you to know is that you're going to be very patient and also consistent with whatever you choose to settle with. So the very first one I'm going to recommend for you have to be the Nineless 5% Tranexamic Acid Serum. It contains tranexamic acid, okay, which would help to get rid of your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and just give you a glowy and then healthier looking skin. It contains tranexamic acid, it contains niacinamide, it contains glutathione, which glutathione is a very powerful ingredient that helps to brighten up your skin and also help to give you a new skin and prevent new dark spots from forming in the first place. So the second serum I'm going to recommend in this video will have to be the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin 2%, okay? I've personally used this particular one myself, and one thing I like about this serum is that it is very, very effective when it comes to skin brightening because it contains alpha arbutin. It helps to get rid of dark spots, melasma, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, dullness of the skin because it contains alpha arbutin, which is a powerhouse of skin brightening that would help to brighten up your skin and brighten up those dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and just clear them off. It helps to fade acne marks. If your dark spots are as a result of acne that you had on your skin, then I will recommend that you get this particular serum and incorporate it into your routine. Another thing I like about this serum is that it is very, very good for sensitive skin. If your skin is very, very sensitive to some ingredients, then I am assuring you that this particular serum will not break you out because it is very, very good for your skin, okay? So the third serum I'm going to recommend for you in this video will have to be the Nineless Azelaic Acid Serum. One thing I like about the particular serum is that it contains azelaic acid, which would help to curb your acne production. If you're acne prone skin and you know that your dark spots as a result of acne, the azelaic acid will help to stop you from producing excessive acne on your skin and also help to clear the dark spots. So you see, it is a win-win both ways. It would help to get rid of your acne and it also helps to get rid of the dark spots or the hyperpigmentation or the uneven skin tone on your skin. I highly recommend this one for those who are acne prone and also the dark spots as a result of acne, okay? I would recommend that you add this one into your routine and you will see with time your skin will begin to glow up and your skin will begin to become even. So the fourth serum I'm going to recommend for you have to be the Advanced Clinical Vitamin C Serum, okay? This is not for those who have acne prone skin because you already know that as an acne prone skin babe, your skin reacts to vitamin C, okay? Vitamin C would make you to produce excessive acne on your skin. So please, if you're acne prone, then this particular one is not for you. This one is for those who are not acne prone and yet they struggle with hyperpigmentation, dullness of the skin, dark spot, and melasma, because the particular serum contains lactic acid and glycolic acid, which are all exfoliants, okay? Lactic and glycolic acid are exfoliants that would help to exfoliate your skin. So one thing I like about it is that it is going to exfoliate your skin, give you a fresh looking skin, and also most importantly penetrate into your pores and get rid of the dark spots, hyperpigmentation, dullness of the skin, and just give you a new skin surface that will be brighter and better. So the fifth one that I will recommend in this video have to be the Koji White Dark Spot Serum. This particular one contains kojic acid, which is a very potent ingredient when it comes to skin brightening. One thing that people don't know is that when you want to get rid of your dark spots or hyperpigmentation, you have to practically use close to whitening ingredients so that your dark spots will clear up immediately. Do you get? You have to almost bleach your skin. I don't want to use the word bleach, okay, but you know, you have to use a whitening product or a whitening ingredient or potent ingredient that would go deep into your skin pores and get the job done. Okay, it contains kojic acid, it contains tranexamic acid, which also help to fight dark spots. Okay, it contains niacinamide, which would help to strengthen your skin barrier. Okay, and it also contains hyaluronic acid, which would help to act as a humectant that would help to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated. One thing you don't want to do this period is for your skin barrier to be broken or for your skin to be dry. You have to, you know, have a very good solid skin barrier. That is the reason why you have to go with the best of the best products. So this particular one is very amazing for those who are struggling with stubborn hyperpigmentation and stubborn dark spots. If you know that you have tried to clear out your dark spot for years, your hyperpigmentation for years, and it is not working, this particular serum is the one that you should incorporate into your routine. So the sixth serum that I'm going to recommend for you if you are struggling with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, melasma, uneven skin tone will have to be the Skeen Point Azelaic Acid. And just like I said in the Nineless Azelaic Acid, Azelaic Acid is very potent and good for those who have acne prone and their dark spot is as a result of what? Acne. Okay, so this particular one contains 10% Azelaic Acid, which would help to curb your acne production and also help to go deep into your skin pores and get rid of that dark spot or hyperpigmentation that came as a result of acne. It also contains lactic acid, which will gently exfoliate your skin and give you a clear looking skin. So if you are struggling with acne, okay, and your dark spot as a result of acne, then I would recommend that you lay your hands on this one. The last but not the least serum I'm going to recommend in this video will have to be the Skeen Point Discoloration Serum. This particular one was formulated for those who are struggling with hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. If you are struggling with severe hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, then I will recommend that you go for this particular one. If you are struggling with severe hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, then I will recommend that you go with this particular one because it would help to treat your uneven skin tone and also treat your hyperpigmentation. Okay, it contains kojic acid, alpha arbutin, licorice extracts, and hyaluronic acid. And you know what this ingredient does to your skin, especially if you are struggling with dark spots or hyperpigmentation. They would help to go deep and brighten them up, while the hyaluronic acid will make sure that your skin is not dry. Okay, one thing I want you to know about these serums is that consistency is key, especially if you want to achieve a faster result. And I would like you to, you know, pair two together. Okay, you can decide to get the Nineless Azelaic Acid and also get the Skeen Point Discoloration Serum, or you can decide to get the Nineless Azelaic Acid and get the Skeen Point Azelaic Acid, okay, and pair them together in your routine. And I also advise that you use them at night, okay, because they are treatment serums, and also be consistent while doing this and follow up your routine judiciously, and with time your dark spot, your hyperpigmentation, your uneven skin tone, your melasma, your dullness of the skin will be a story of the old. If you have watched particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share the video to someone that you know that is struggling with dark spot, hyperpigmentation, or any of these skin concerns that I showed in this video. Please remember to share the video to such persons. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section telling me any of these serums that you're going to incorporate into your routine because you want to clear off your skin concerns. Okay, and until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.